What if running slower was the key to unlocking your true running potential? Forget the sprints and fast runs for a moment. Zone 2 running is the game changer that elite athletes swear by. Let's uncover why running slower could actually make you faster. Zone 2 is the heart rate zone, where your body burns fat as its primary fuel. It's about 60 to 70% of your maximum heart rate. But here's the kicker. In Zone 2, you're training your aerobic system, the engine that powers everything from marathon runners to everyday endurance. Most runners think they need to run fast all the time to improve. But the truth is, running too fast, too often, leads to burnout and injury. In Zone 2, you slow down to build up your aerobic base, laying the foundation for faster, stronger runs later on. Here's where Zone 2 gets exciting. When you stay in this lower heart rate zone, your body burns fat efficiently for fuel. Over time, your endurance skyrockets, and running becomes less about fighting through pain and more about sustainable, long-term progress. It may seem counterintuitive, but here's the secret. When you master Zone 2, your body becomes more efficient. Over time, you'll be able to run faster in this same zone, and that speed translates into faster race times. Think of it as investing in your future speed. Here's the hard part. Staying in Zone 2 often feels like you're running too slow. You'll need to monitor your heart rate, which for most people means slowing down by 1 to 2 minutes per mile. It's an adjustment, but your heart will thank you later when you're crushing your goals without the usual wear and tear. Runners who commit to Zone 2 training report improved endurance, faster recovery, and even mental clarity. You might not see the results immediately, but give it 8-12 weeks, and you'll notice that long, grueling runs start to feel easy. And those fast, all-out efforts, they'll feel easier too. So why should you run slower? Because it's not just about running. It's about training smart, building endurance, and becoming a more efficient runner. Zone 2 is your ticket to sustainable improvement. Slow down now to speed up later. If you want more tips on mastering your running performance, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more science-backed training strategies.